welcome back. My Feelunique beauty kit is here and I'm really excited. I think I did well again this month. If you're new here, hello, my name is Amy. Please consider hitting the subscribe button before you leave and come and join our YouTube family. We are a lovely bunch. With that being said, pop the kettle on, pull up a chair and let's go. Like I said, here's my Feelunique beauty kit. I've got a nice mixture of skincare, there's makeup in here. I've got this Laura Mercier. Come on, Feelunique are really stepping up with the selections now. If you're unfamiliar with the Feelunique beauty kit, Feelunique is a beauty website that sells a wide range of products. You can get hair care, skincare, makeup, you can get tools. There's so much stuff on there. And they do a once a month beauty kit where you kind of go on, choose 5 deluxe mini samples. And you get a free pouch and you pay $12.95 plus shipping and handling. And yeah, it's kind of like a build your own kind of subscription box, which is really cool. And you know, I really enjoy this, and you get to choose your own, so you're never disappointed. They have a wide range of things on there, so it's well worth checking out. And talking to Feelunique, I've been told by a nice little birdie that they're doing their own subscription box, which looks absolutely fabulous, and it's on the kind of same basis as the beauty kit. You pick your own, which is really cool. So I'm going to pick one up, a one-off, and just to see what the comparison is between the two, to see if they have different products, because otherwise what's the point of doing a subscription box if you kind of already have the beauty kit running? So yeah, so look out for that in the future. So let's dive into this pouch. I'm excited. I do love this. It's sort of, you know, one of my favourite parts. Now, you've seen this before. I picked this up last month. It is the Sol de Janeiro Bom Dia Bright Cream. I picked another one of these up because I absolutely love it, and I wanted to put one by for a future giveaway. So you've got a nice sort of like little 25ml kind of sample size here. It's a great size to be able to send away as well. That's kind of why I went for it. I think for what's going on at the moment, I don't think you're allowed to send anything over 100 mils, so that's ideal. The fragrance of this is absolutely stunning. Sorry, excuse me, I have a frog in my throat. It's absolutely stunning. It's kind of creamy and it exfoliates at the same time. It's gorgeous. Highly recommend you check this out. So I'm so pleased to be popping one of those by. I have got the Emma Hardy. It's the Midas Touch Revitalising Cream. This looks gorgeous. We have got 15 mils here, and it says it deeply hydrates and moisturises, lifts and smooths, and it improves firmness and elasticity. This is going to be absolutely fabulous. It looks anti-aging. I need some anti-aging on this face. You know, I'm kind of growing into my 40s. I've got a couple of years to go, but you know, I need a little help. So I'm going to pop a little bit of this on the back of my hand just to see what it's like. See if there's any kind of fragrance to it, how it absorbs. I know it's totally different on the back of your hand to what it is your face, but oh, that's kind of a light, kind of lemony fragrance to it. That smells really nice. My sense of smell is kind of coming back. It's there and then it's gone. It's not what it was, but I can smell that. This looks and feels quite thick and creamy when you rub it in. Oh, that has a stunning glow to the skin. I like that. I'm definitely going to have to pop this in with my skincare to give it a go. Yeah, that's really, really nice. The only thing, I think it feels a bit balmy on the skin, so I don't know how that's going to sit with sort of like makeup and primers and things. But I like the smell of that, so I'm very pleased with that one. The next one is from the brand Cause, and this is the Foaming Cream Cleanser. We've got 20 mils on here. Now I think there's not really a lot of English on here, so there's not really a lot I can say about it. Apart from I'm really excited to be trying it. I do like trying new cleansers. We've got a seal on here. I'm not going to squeeze this one out because it's a cleanser. You're not really going to be able to see very much or tell very much. But it's a nice size to try, especially if you don't like something and you've got a 20 ml sample. you're not wasting an absolute ton of money. The next item we have, I'm intrigued with this one as well. It's from the brand Juice Beauty, and it's the, I think it's either Photo or Phyto Pigments Illuminating Primer. We've got 15 mils in here. I am going for more illuminating primers now. I always double prime, so I normally use sort of like a primer like this and then go in with the alpha pore filler. I think illuminating primers are really good for giving that kind of youthful glow back to the skin, so I am moving more towards these. Oh, we have another seal. I'm going to squeeze this out. Oh, and it's just blobbed. So let's just pop that. Oh, and it's blobbed more. I've gone crazy again. I always go crazy and blob out so much. There we go, that's what it looks like. And let's rub this into the skin. Wow, that is illuminating. That is very illuminating. I like that. It doesn't feel overly oily though. It looks oily, but it doesn't feel it, which is nice. Not really a fragrance to it. And it's kind of absorbed into the skin quite well and quite quickly. Yeah, so I want to try that. I'll have to pop that in my everyday makeup drawer for next month, so keep your eyes peeled for that. And the last item I've got here, I was a bit cheeky. This is on my lips. I really wanted to try it out. It's the Laura Mercier, and it's the Velour Matte Lipstick. Well, it's more like a pencil than a lipstick. This is 1.2 grams, which I think is a really good size, and it's in the shade Fresh. So here we go. That is perfect for sort of like handbag size. I really like it. The colour is absolutely stunning. Let's just give it a swatch. It's kind of like that kind of mauve-y or mauve, kind of, you know, red. It's really nice colour. It definitely is matte. It really matte on my lips. I'm not a fan of gloss, but you could put a gloss on over the top of this if you want. It's very comfortable. I've noticed that it hasn't transferred either, which is absolutely fabulous. And it's just a really nice shade. I really like it, and I've always wanted to try one of Laura Mercier's lip products. I've fell in love with her powder, so it's nice to be able to try something new. And there it is again. It's lovely. It's really, really nice. And you could probably use that, I think, as a cream blush as well. You could probably pop it on the eyes too, you know, and just smoke it out and smudge it out. That would look really nice. Now, I do apologise that I haven't really been uploading videos recently. I just needed to take some kind of personal time out. But I'm back, and I'm happy, and I'm healthy, and I'm nice and fresh. So if you wondered where I've been, that's what it was. And we also got a free pouch. Another one. I don't know what to do with these anymore. I did calculate the value of this pouch, and it came out as a whopping £59.55. So bearing in mind I paid £16 for the whole thing, including shipping. That's a good value. That's a really, really good value. It's up there with kind of like your subscription boxes, which is really cool. Let me know what you thought of my picks this month in the comments down below. And if you get the beauty kit, I'd love to know what you chose this month. Thank you for joining me again today, and I hope to see you again soon. In the meantime, lovelies, please take care. Bye bye.